Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are doing very well. So it will be math classes together, and today we will start a new topic, which is problem solving multi-step division problems. So if you are ready, let's open page 189. Okay, problem solving multi-step division problems. First of all, let's read the problem together. It say Lucia picked 3 times as much corn as Ailey. Together they picked 96 ears of corn. Ailey wants to divide the number of ears he picked equally among 8 bags. How many ears of corn will Ailey put in each of the 8 bags? Guys, let's move step by step because there are so many steps in this question. First of all, it says Lucia picked 3 times as much corn as Ailey. So, may I say like this? If Ailey gets 1 corn, so Lucia will get 3 corns because it says 3 times as much corn as Ailey, right? So, if Ailey gets 1 corn, Lucia will get 3 corn. Okay, let's move. It say, what do I need to find? I need to find the number of ears of corn that will go in each bag. To understand this, we need to focus on my question sentence. Here, how many ears of corn will Ailey put in each of the 8 bags? It say the number of ears of corn. So, we need to find it. The number of ears of corn. So, what information do I need to use? In this part, guys, I use information from the question. What is given in the question? Let's check together. Lucia picked 3 times as much corn as Ailey. We already say that. Let's say they get together. They picked 96 ears of corn. It's already given in the question. And one more information given in the question. The number of ears Ailey picked are divided equally among 8 bags. Perfect. So, before solving, how will I use the information? Guys, I can draw a bar model like drawing in the solve the problem part. So, then I will divide to find the number of ears Ailey picked and divide to find the number for each bag for 8 bags. So, let's draw bar model. We already said it because it's already given in the question. If Ailey gets just 1 corn, Lucy will get 3 corn. So, if Ailey gets just 1 square, Lucy will get 3 square, right? Perfect. So then, how many square in total given here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 square. It say together they pick 96 ears of corn. It means this 4 square represent 96. But I need to find one of them represent how much of it. If 4 of them represent 96, if I want to find just 1 square, I need to do division. 96 divided by 4, I'll get 24. 24 for each square. So I know Ailey gets 24 ears of corn. But he want to put them into 8 bags. How can I do this? I can draw bar model again. So it will be 8 square to represent 8 bags. How much I need to put for each? 3. So how can I understand this? If you want, you can do division. 24 divided by 8, it will be 3 ears of corn for each bag. Okay, let's check the question. How many ears of corn will Ailey put in each bag? One of this square represents the number of ears of corn. So he will put 3 ears of corn for each bag. What about question 2? How can you check your answers? Before this, remember our last lesson, guys. What we did while checking our division, we can do multiplication, because multiplication and division, they are inverse operations. So I can do multiplication here. Actually, while finding 3, I did division. What I did? 24 divided by 8. So in this situation, if I do multiplication, I will write 3 times 8 equal 24, because I put 3 ears of corn for each bag, and in total I have 8 bags. So how many ears of corn I put in total? 24. Perfect. 24 for Eli. Eli just get 1 square. So if Eli gets 1 square, 4 square represent how many of it? So if I want to find the total, if I have 4 square, I need to multiply 4 times 24. In total, I'll get 96. I found the first number. I found the number of ears of corn in total. So my number is same. It means my result is also right. Perfect. Let's move. Turn on the page, guys. Open page 190. Let's read the question together. It say there are 8 dinner rolls in a package. How many packages will be needed to feed 64 people if each person has 2 dinner rolls? Guys, let's try to understand the problem first. How can I know it? It say, what do I need to find? To answer this question, I need to check my question sentence. It say, how many packages will be needed to feed 64 people if each person has 2 dinner rolls? So I need to find the number of packages of rolls needed. Perfect. So what information do I need to use? To fill this part, I'll use the knowledge in the question. What I know each of 64 people gets 2 rolls, and each package of rolls has 8 rolls. Perfect. How can I use this information? I can draw bar model, and then I'll multiply to find the total and divide to find the number of packages of roll needed. So let's check my bar models. So it say there are 64 people and each of them gets 2 rolls. So in total, how many rolls they will eat? In total they will eat 128 rolls. How I find it? If you want, you can draw a bar model, or if you want, you can use addition or multiplication. 64 plus 64, or if you want, you can do multiplication like this. 2 times 54 equal 128. So I need 128 rolls, but I know in each package there are 8 rolls. If I need 128 rolls in total and one package, if one package has 8 rolls, how many package I need? How can I know this? If you want, you can keep drawing by 8 and you can use multiplication, or if you want, you can do division, and I prefer division because it will be easier for you. So 128 divided by 8, if you do this division, you will get 16. 16 will be my answer. So I'll need 16 packages of rolls to feed 64 people. Let's check my question. How many packages of rolls will be needed? So we found 16 packages because each package has 8 rows, and in total I need 128 rows. So in this situation, if I do division 128 divided by 8, I'll get 16 packages. So next question, question 4. How did drawing a bar model help you solve the problem? Guys, check the bar model. Even if you don't want to do any division or multiplication, bar model actually shows your operations. So it can help to see you the relation between the numbers, so you can decide which operation you need to use to solve the problem. We use multiplication here and division in the last parts. Perfect. Thank you for listening, guys. Take care of you.